Stop scrolling if your knees ever hurt when you walk, squat, or even climb stairs, because I'm about to show you 2 simple moves that can literally save your knees. Most people think knee pain is just part of getting older. No. In reality, weak supporting muscles are silently pulling your knees out of alignment. The good news? You don't need fancy machines or hours in the gym. Just 2 quick exercises you could do anywhere. Number 1, the terminal knee extension. Sounds fancy, but all you need is a resistance band. Anchor it, loop it behind your knee, and straighten your leg against the band. Boom! You're training the muscles that keep your kneecap stable. Wait, before you roll your eyes and say, "I'll just rest," let me drop this truth. Rest makes weak knees weaker. Strength makes them bulletproof. Number 2, the step down. Stand on a step, slowly tap 1 foot to the ground, then rise back up. This fires up your quads and glutes, the real shock absorbers of your knees. Do these 2 moves consistently, and you won't just reduce pain, you'll future-proof your knees for life. The real question is, do you want to walk pain-free at 70 or struggle at 40? Drop your answer in the comments, and share this with a friend who's always complaining about their knees. If you're serious, grab my free workout plan below. No fluff, just a blueprint. And if this fired you up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Speaking of which, don't click away yet. The next video on your screen shows you how to turn these 4 lifts into a complete muscle building routine. Watch it now. I'll see you there.